Hello, myself Ravi Kumar. Today I have discussed इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑन बेंजीन रिंग। कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, किस इसका मैकेनिज्म क्या होता है, इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रुप क्या होता है, ये सभी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इस कॉन्सेप्ट में। जनरलाइज कर लेते हैं पहले क्या होता है इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन। Here nucleophile, this is electrophile. React and form this. This electrophile displaces this hydrogen and gain this position. This process is known as electrophilic aromatic substitution on benzene ring. Mechanism. This. In this step is known as addition of electrophile. And they have a positive charge. This intermediate known as sigma complex, or also called intermediate, sigma complex intermediate. And this molecule lose aromaticity and a stable to unstable molecule goes. That's why this step is RDS step, rate determining step. And finally, having a base, this proton will be picked up by the base to then this molecule regain aromaticity. Here hydrogen replaced by this electrophile. This is known as electrophilic aromatic substitution on benzene ring. अब हम देखेंगे इस बेंजीन रिंग पर कोई ग्रुप लगा देंगे तो उस ग्रुप का क्या इफेक्ट होगा रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पे, ये हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्रुप, when be attached with benzene ring. First, electron donating group. Here, lone pair. This is the resonating structure of benzene ring. If attached with electron density group, then negative charge comes where? Here ortho. This position known as ortho. This position ortho, this position meta, and this position para. When we attach electron donating group, then negative charge where come? At ortho position, para position, and no negative charge not come at meta position. That's why when we attach electron withdrawing group in benzene ring, then electrophile comes at ortho and para position. When we attach with electron donating group on benzene, then incoming electrophile comes at ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. ओके एंड अब हम लोग देखेंगे ये क्या देखें, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप का इफेक्ट ऑन बेंजीन रिंग देख ली। अब हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप का इफेक्ट ऑन बेंजीन रिंग। इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप जब हम अटैच कर देंगे तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जो इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफाइल वो कहाँ पे आएगा, ऑर्थो आएगा, मेटा आएगा, पैरा आएगा, ये देखेंगे। ठीक, अब हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप का। इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग, this is the resonating structure of benzene ring when we attach with electron withdrawing group. This here, here and this. Okay, here negative charge, here negative charge, without gain of, okay, and this and this. This and last resonating structure form of this molecule. This. More electron density at which position? Here ortho positive charge, less electron density. Para position, less electron density. At meta position no any positive charge comes. So more electron density at which position? More electron density at meta position. When electron withdrawing group attach with benzene ring. Okay, and at this इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे एक क्वेश्चन हम लोगों को दिया गया, ये अरेंज द फ्लोइंग इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स द नाइट्रेशन। नाइट्रेशन मतलब क्या होगा, एक सेकंड इसको पहले मिटा देते, उसके बाद डिस्कस करते हैं क्वेश्चन को। रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन reaction on rate of reaction is directly proportional to इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप। अभी हम लोग देखे रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर से, एंड इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप। ओके, इस कॉन्सेप्ट में एक क्वेश्चन हम लोगों को दिया गया, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ टुवर्ड द नाइट्रेशन। देखो क्या बोल रहा है, यहां पर कोई जी ग्रुप है, ठीक, और ये बोल रहा है यहां पर नाइट्रेशन कराए, हम नाइट्रेशन कराए हैं, ये बोल रहा है ये नाइट्रेशन मान लेंगे कि इस पोजीशन होगा, ठीक। अब ये बोल रहा है इसका रेट क्या होगा, रेट, तो रेट किस पे डिपेंड करेगा, जिस बेंजीन रिंग में मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी होगा उसका नाइट्रेशन फास्ट होगा। क्यों होगा, क्योंकि मोर ये एक्स है न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड मेरा नाइट्रोनियम आयन है, दिस इज नाइट्रोनियम आयन, एक्स इज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, इन विच benzene ring having more electron density rate will be more, ठीक। we arrange this order, here only benzene NO2 it is a electron withdrawing group, CH3 is a plus H group, hyperconjugation, it is also a considered as a electron donating group due to hyperconjugation, okay। This is a plus M group and minus I group, but we know that plus M and minus I dominating factor is a minus I, okay, and here also CH3 group, this is a electron donating group like plus H, plus H, okay। Here no any group, reactivity order equal to here, where is it, here more electron donating group attached, so rate will be more, C here electron withdrawing group, here electron donating group, this is A electron group, NO2 is more electron sucked from benzene ring, but this bromine will be less electron sucked from the benzene ring, but here no any electron donating withdrawing group, therefore this will become first as compared to D and B. When we compare D and B, this will be more electron withdrawing group, a stronger electron withdrawing group, then suck more electron density from the benzene ring, and but in case of bromine this will be less electron sucked from the benzene ring, that's why this bromobenzene having more rate as compared to nitrobenzene, B and D. This will be reactivity order of the towards the nitration or benzene ring. Now I am discuss second question. What the major product in the given reaction? This reaction will be given, and he asks what is the major product. Where mechanism of this reaction? How to proceed this reaction? This. H plus. It is a क्या? What is this? Electron deficient species. Electron deficient. Here, two electron rich system available. First is lone pair and second is pi bonding. Pi electron density. And non-bonding. Lone pair, and we know that this pi electron involving in bonding, that's why its energy will be low as compared to lone pair, because lone pair not involved in bonding in this time, so this will be higher in energy. So this lone pair will be react first as compared to pi electron density. Then if this electron here, what happening, this double bond here, this 1 2 3, one carbon missing, OH2. Here this is not a good living group, but this is a good living group. Then good living group, it will leave. Then here positive carbocation intermediate form. Here what is intermediate? If this carbocation will be less stable, then it will be rearranged, but in this time this carbocation will be more stable, so this carbocation will not rearrangement take place. Here is a electrophile, and in the same molecule here also a nucleophile present. Then this pi electron density attack at this position, because this position is electron deficient species. X is electron deficient species. 5. Then 5-member ring will be generated. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this number 5 make bond through 1, but here this center node form bond, that's why come at positive at this center. Okay. And also this carbocation will be stable, and heat will be given, heat will be mentioned, heat will gives information here that elimination reaction take place. Here elimination reaction take place. This and plus this two product form from the step 1. This will be minor product, this will be major product. Why major product? Because alpha hydrogen alpha H equal to 3 alpha 3 3 6 2 3 3 6 and 2 8 alpha H, but here alpha H equal to 3 and 4. That's why it is a major product and this is a minor product. And this major product also react with HBr, step 2. Step 2. HBr. Okay. This will here. attack this is acts as a nucleophile and this hydrogen acts as a electrophile, then this will attack and this product, this species will be formed. Here no any give heat, no any given heat, that's why, but nucleophile present Br minus, then Br minus attack here and leads the formation of product. Br this. What is the correct option? Our this is not correct option. This is not correct option. This is also not correct option because our cyclization ring will be formed. Here not any ring form, not any ring form. These two options will be neglected, but here ring form. But our product Br8 here, but Br8 here. This option will be also neglected, and this will be correct option. Thank you. Now I am discuss about third question. What is the third question? Given that the standard potential of copper 2 to copper and the copper 1 to copper are they respectively here, this and this, then E naught of the here. This question will be proceed by this method here. What is the given? Cu2 plus 2 Cu E naught of Cu2 plus 2 Cu equal to what? 0.34 volt and E naught of copper 2 to copper equal to 0.522 volt. Here reduction potential given and this will be generated from this two half reduction potential. When we write reduction potential, half reduction of this half reduction cell of this reaction, copper 2 plus 1 electron gain, 2 electron gain, it comes into copper here, and this is also a reduction potential 2 plus copper 1 copper 1 gain 1 electron comes into copper. Here E naught value of this reaction Cu2 plus 2 copper equal to 0.45 volt and this will be equal to E naught value of this reaction Cu plus Cu equal to 0.522 volt. When the reaction will be reversed, then also reduction potential will be negative sign comes because here is a reduction potential. When we reverse this equation first, this equation will be reversed, then Cu plus 1 electron, then E naught of Cu plus equal to minus 0.522 volt. Because we know that oxidation potential equal to minus of reduction potential. Okay. Equation 2. Equation 1 plus 2. It gives this. And this equation will be written as Cu2 plus 1 electron comes into Cu plus Cu. When we equation 1 and 2 will be add, then we get this equation. Add Cu2 plus 2 electron Cu plus 1 electron 1 electron, Cu2 plus 1 electron, then comes into Cu plus. Begin this equation begin, but inert cell of this reaction Cu2 plus to Cu equal to what? 0.34, and inert cell of this reaction Cu2 Cu plus equal to minus 0.54522. Okay, when we add, we know these two will be not direct add because inert cell is a intensive properties. ठीक, okay, inert cell is a intensive property, and we know that intensive property cannot be added directly. Then it convert into extensive property. Then will be adding. This will be converted into extensive property by this formula. By this formula, delta G not equal to minus NF E naught cell. What is the? Then we write for this equation delta G 1 equal to minus NF E. What is E? This 0.34, and for this delta G 2 node equal to minus NF into E naught cell minus 0.522. Okay, here n is the number of electron change. Here number of electron change 1, we put 1. Here in this equation number of electron change kitna? 2. Then we put here 2. Okay, any problem? Then here we also write delta G 3 of the final equation. Delta G naught of 3 equal to minus NF E node. What? N equal to 1 electron change, 1 into F into E node to find. We know that here, then delta G1, delta G2. This is a, we convert intensive to extensive. Then we add equation 1 and 2 add. Then these two value also added because equation 1 here, equation 2 here. Then here delta G naught 3 equal to delta G naught 1 plus delta G naught 2. Any problem? No ना? चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Delta G3. What is the delta G3? Here minus 1 into F into E naught equal to delta G1 minus 2F into 0.34 plus what is the delta G naught 2 minus plus 1F into 0.522. Then here minus F cancel, minus E naught equal to minus 0.68 plus 0.522. Okay, what's come the value? E naught cell equal to, we calculate, then this value comes 0.158 volt. What is the? This will become, then correct option will be here. Thank you. Now I am discuss about fourth question. What is fourth question? The number of molecule and ion from the flowing have been non-planar structure. जो मेरे को दिया गया है कंपाउंड, इसमें से आयन होगा, मोलिक्यूल होगा, जो भी हो, जो नॉन प्लेनर स्ट्रक्चर, उसको फाइंड आउट करना है. देखो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं. अगर स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पता करना है, सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? हाइब्रिडाइजेशन चेक करते हैं. हाइब्रिडाइजेशन चेक करते हैं. जो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन आता है उससे क्या पता चलता है मेरे को? ज्योमेट्री को पता चलता है। ज्योमेट्री क्या होता है? लोन पेयर एज वेल एज बॉन्ड पेयर, दोनों को मिला के बोलते हैं ज्योमेट्री। अगर ज्योमेट्री से लोन पेयर को हटा दिया जाए तो उसको से बोलते, उसी को स्ट्रक्चर बोलते। ठीक है, चलो इतना इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। NO3 इसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह से होता है, N डबल बॉन्ड O माइनस and this will be resonating structure. We also write this in this method, in this way. This molecule will be planar. Why planar? Because all atom having sp2 center, sp2 hybridization क्या है? sp2. Then if all atom having hybridization sp2 or sp, then those molecule are planar molecule. Okay, this is a non planar, this is a planar. H2O2 a structure, open book like structure, trigonal planar. This is a trigonal planar. This is a structure, open book like a structure. Open book like a structure, like this. This. At this time, if we consider this plane, board of this plane, then this hydrogen comes here. This hydrogen comes here and this hydrogen in plane. At one times this all three atoms are in one plane, but at this time this hydrogen will be above the plane or below the plane. Then this will be non-planar structure. Non-planar. This is a non-planar. BF3. We talk about BF3. F. This is a trigonal planar. If we draw this plane, all atom comes into this plane. Then this is a planar molecule. Okay. PCl3. Here Cl, and this is lone pair. Okay, this is a non-planar structure because this is a pyramidal, like NH3 molecule. If here phosphorus and one Cl here, one Cl here, one Cl here. Or at this time, one times all this are in one plane, but this phosphorus out of plane. So this is a non-planar species. This is a non-planar. XeFO4. XeFO4. Here. One lone pair here, one lone pair here. This is a square planar complex. When we draw this plane, all atoms are come into this plane. So this is a planar structure. This is a planar structure. When we talk about SF4, S, F, one lone pair. Seesaw structure. structure. This is also non-planar spaces. How we know this is non-planar? When like this. If we draw this plane, only this plane, sulfur, fluorine, and this comes into one plane, and these two fluorine out of plane or out of plane, these two fluorine. When we draw this plane, then fluorine, sulfur comes into one plane, and these two fluorine out of plane. So this is non-planar spaces. This is non-planar. When we talk about xenon oxide, we remove this part. Sorry. When we discuss about xenon XeO3, this is a tetrahedral geometry. This and this. This is also like PCl3, pyramidal shape. So this is non-planar. When we talk about pH4, this is a tetrahedral. So the tetrahedral, we know this is a non-planar. This is non-planar. When we talk about SO3, it is a trigonal planar. So it is a planar species. Okay. We talk about this Al, OH, 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 OH and minus. This is a tetrahedral species. So this is non-planar.